Well, today I'm bored, so I decided to make another fan video. This is an Eastern Electric 12-inch box fan. I have a short clip of this on my channel, but I figured it deserved its own video because it's kind of unique. Most of these fans I've seen that look like this are 10 inches, but this is a 12-inch. Even more interestingly, it has these little holes on the side, which I can only assume are for a stand. It's not in the best of shape. There's a piece missing right there out of the grill. And another one right there on the back. There's the back of it. There's the tag. It says date code 1391, so I'm assuming it's from 1991. It doesn't seem like it was built that well to begin with, because the badge is actually kind of off-center. Like, it should be like one space down. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but the blade is almost touching the bottom of the cabinet right there. And there's like an inch clearance on the top, so it just was not made very well. Doesn't look like. Anyway, we use it here in the kitchen because it's quiet and it fits in the window, which is too small for an actual window fan to fit in. So I'm gonna put it back in the window and turn it on. Fits in like that. It's 2-speed, and I'll start off on low, I believe. Moves a decent amount of air. Turn it to high now, which isn't really that much different. And off. Oh, it's not gonna stop because there's a breeze coming through, so there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.